How to upgrade weapons in Devil May Cry Peak of Combat. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. If you're playing Devil May Cry Peak of Combat and want to make your weapons stronger, firstly open the Devil May Cry Peak of Combat game on your device, and once you're inside the main home page, go ahead and tap on Hunters from the top right corner. Inside the Hunters tab, select the hunter whose weapon you want to upgrade, and then click on Develop at the bottom right. On the next page, go ahead and select Weapons from the left, and inside Weapons, click on Develop. Now go ahead and select Quick Add, and this will add the necessary materials if you have it, and now tap on Upgrade. Soon after you do that, you will be able to upgrade your weapon. Continue upgrading the weapon when additional levels become available. Equip the upgraded weapon if it's not already equipped. And that's how you do it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.